Hi folks, this is Matt from Our Place in Sicily, and today we're very excited to be going down underneath our terrace. There's a chamber down under there that we discovered during the process. We've never been down in it. It's accessible by just a big hole in the ground, and so today is the day. We're going to go in and we're going to explore and we're going to find out what's really down there. All right, so
we got a ladder,
which
is the most important part of getting in that hole.
And well, I mean, I think getting out of that hole is actually my bigger worry, because getting into it, I could have done
You just army crawl up without bending any. Let's just be honest. You're less flexible, but I'm less small. So we both have our own worries on this great adventure of ours. Let's stop for just a second and say, here's the video where we discovered that we had a secret cave. Well, we didn't know it was a cave yet. Chamber?
Yeah.
The secret chamber, the deathly abandoned Palazzo. I think we're on the very, very thin line of breaking some copyright laws, so let's stop there.
Okay, but we have talked with people who lived in this house or had relatives that lived in this house, and the general feeling was that
it's a refrigerator.
That this was basically used kind of for cool storage kind of place. It's not super accessible, but yeah, we're gonna go inside, so let's do it.
Let's turn this thing around and wish us luck. Also, if you don't see any videos for a couple weeks, send somebody to help us.
Yeah, there you go. All right, so this is probably an old person reference, but this is like Al Capone's vault and Geraldo Rivera, like going down to see if we magically got all the money we need for the renovation secretly stored in. If it's there, it's probably in lira, but such is life.
It could be. You never know. Mostly what we don't want is for it to cost us money in an emergency room trip or already stuck. Your hook is caught. There you go. Still, there we go. So it has hooks on it. This is our scaffolding ladder. Thanks to the building crew for unknowingly lending this to us. Matt, are we going to fit?
It's a good question. All right, we're good. All right, we have a ladder. The ladder goes to the top.
Excellent. So. And it just goes to the top? Is that crazy?
I mean, it's
not hanging on there.
It's not hanging on there.
Oh, wow.
Okay, we ready?
We're ready.
Okay.
I'm all kinds of help. I can hand you down the lights too if you want. Don't be afraid of the dark. Want me to hold the light while you climb?
I got it.
Don't know how to support the ladder while you climb.
All right. There's an interesting drain here, so something drains into here.
Well, that's fun.
Yep. All right. So I'm down. You can see it's just just maybe 6'5" below the.
We're the top, but it's lower, I assume, in the other part, huh?
All right.
I made it. Oh, wow. Interesting.
Okay. Light?
Yeah.
Is it like clay? Yeah, it's clay, roughly. I mean,
it's just dirt.
Yeah. So we've got a central, sort of column that's holding up the terrace above, and
wow, we've got fantastic echo. So we'll be hosting concerts in here.
Opera.
Let's see. So how big do we think this is? So it's not super large. I'm 5'9". I can't stand in here except right where like Matt is standing.
Yeah.
It was definitely curbed. Let's see, it's about maybe 3 meters long on the longest side, with a diameter of maybe just under 2 meters. Yeah, there's like no sign of like shelves in here. There's a nail in here, so they hung up something.
You can see they used to have more plaster on
on
the ceiling. That's come off over the years.
Yep.
The other thing I was going to point out is we have something that drains into here.
Yeah. Huh.
Which, I don't know. Like, it may just be, rainwater or something like that.
Sure.
And actually, there's something over there that is
see.
maybe an exit drain. I don't know.
Ah. So maybe this is actually how it gets into the what do you call it? The cistern.
I mean, I think there's other things that drain into the cistern, but yes, it seems like.
Oh, we have animal bones down here.
Oh, awesome. That's what I was standing on.
Yeah. Maybe a rabbit fell in here, but also, Matt, this is onion.
Onion?
That's an onion skin.
It's very odd.
I think an onion over there. Somebody left onions behind. Well, obviously we're doing a really great job keeping this ladder into a pile of junk. Junk and animal heads. Some broken glass down here. We've got some of our tiles. Maybe we'll put those firmly underneath. I think this is a marble. Bunch of pieces of marble. I don't know. I'm guessing maybe a rabbit or a cat. I don't know my skulls.
It's kind of big for, for a rabbit.
Right, and it's got pointy teeth.
Canine or pointy feline teeth.
See?
Yeah.
Poor gatto. Let's see, just some more marble, some more stuff. I think this stuff is just stuff that's fallen from up above.
Yeah, no, it's all the same. Yeah, we can recognize all the same things that were up top. It just fell from the hole.
So there's no lira in here, unfortunately.
Does not seem like, or we have to dig deeper.
Yeah,
Oh,
just some
look at
pieces
these
of
scratches
marble.
on the wall.
Oh no, that's probably our cat trying to get out. Oh, that's very sad. I think it was a long time ago, because it has totally disintegrated otherwise. Wow, but very, very interesting. So what are we going to do with this spot, Matt?
It's a good question. I mean, like you said, the acoustics are amazing.
Yeah.
Do we have drainage coming through here? We do.
Oh.
Or something.
So maybe this is what's going into our cistern.
But
Which also would have kept it cool down here, but I don't know how they would have kept things down here.
I mean, nothing on the floor, certainly.
All right, so.
Yeah, we get a little bit of root
Yeah.
stuff coming in there. I don't know how, because it's
Wonder if that's our fig. No, our fig is, no, it's about where our fig was growing, up through the cracks.
Yeah, okay. So. But yeah, there's nothing but cement up there other than a wild fig that was growing that we've taken out.
And it's definitely a layer of stone first that is supported by a lot of some sort of cement type thing. It doesn't feel too loose at all. Maybe we can come in with a kind of reverse snake to see up and out from down and in. All right, so who's the lucky person who's going to get to climb out first?
I think that's you.
Whoa. All right, well, no filming the back end.
All right.
All right, come out wherever you are. The hero rises from the depths. Oh, you're so much more graceful than I was. So I don't think it's going to become our baths of, I don't know what the baths would be called here, but I'm glad to see it.
Yeah, and I mean, it's a little smaller than I envisioned it, but yeah, it's an interesting subterranean kind of space.
Yeah, not everybody gets one of these.
Yeah.
All right, no lira.
No lira, no gold.
A few dead cats.
No hidden, gosh, somebody was suggesting like underground tunnel to connect things during the war or something like that.
Because they do supposedly exist here, but we already knew that that wasn't one of the possibilities anymore. But we didn't see really anything coming from the fountain. That's what I was also looking for. Sort of maybe just a dangerous hole in the ground.
Yeah, it's like we crawled under our porch back in the US.
It's totally that. So welcome to the Under the Porch video, and thanks for coming along. Until next time, ciao ciao.